Oukitel is back with another beast of a rugged phone, the Oukitel WP65G. This one packs the largest display in the rugged phone world, a massive 7.2-inch screen with crisp visuals. It also comes with a 10,000 mAh battery, a 108 megapixel main camera, and night vision for those moments when you can't see what's around you. Plus, it runs on the latest Android 15 with full 5G support, and it's wrapped in a futuristic armor-style rugged design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. In this video, I'll show you everything: low light camera tests, display quality, waterproof performance, and more. So let's find out if the Oukitel WP65G really is one of the toughest and most feature-packed rugged phones of 2025. The WP60 comes in a large sturdy box that highlights key specs like its massive storage and RAM. Inside, the first thing you'll see is the WP65G itself, sitting right on top. We'll set it aside for a moment to check out what else is included. You'll find the usual documentation pack with a quick start guide and warranty card. There's also a rugged USB-C cable and a 33-watt fast charger to power up that big 10,000 mAh battery. And that's everything you get inside the box. Clean, simple, and ready to go. This phone looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Oukitel went with a cyberpunk mech inspired design made from aluminum titanium alloy, giving it a tough industrial look. This phone, it's a bit heavy at around 360 grams, but that weight adds confidence. You can tell it's built to last. Unlike most rugged phones that only use hard rubber on the corners, Oukitel added extra metal reinforcement, making it even more durable. The textured sides and reinforced corners improve grip and shock resistance, so it feels secure in your hand. It comes in 3 eye-catching colors: silver, black, and yellow. The yellow version especially stands out. It's got that bold bumblebee vibe that really fits the rugged style. This phone, it's built to survive almost anything with IP68, IP69K, and military-grade protection. So yeah, taking a shower with this won't be a problem. Perfect for outdoor professionals, adventurers, or anyone who just wants a phone that can take a beating. The Oukitel WP65G comes with a huge 7.2-inch HD Plus display, and it's surprisingly smooth thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. It's not a flagship level panel, but it's bright at around 500 nits and clear enough for outdoor use. Colors are decent, and the Gorilla Glass 5 protection means it can take a few hits without trouble. The Oukitel WP65G comes with a huge 7.2-inch HD Plus display, and it's surprisingly smooth thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. Because of its size, it feels more like a small tablet than a phone, great for reading, GPS navigation, or watching videos in the field. The bezels are slightly raised for extra protection, which fits its rugged personality. The highlight here is the massive 10,000 mAh battery. It easily lasts 2 to 3 days with regular use, or even longer. It supports 33-watt fast charging, which gets it from 0 to 100% in about 2 hours. And it also does 7W reverse charging, so you can power up other devices, basically turning it into a backup power bank. Runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. You can even expand the RAM virtually up to 48 GB and add a 2 TB microSD card for extra space. For a rugged phone, that's incredible. This phone, performance-wise, Android 15 feels smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking is fast, and 5G connectivity keeps things snappy on the go. It's not a gaming flagship, but it easily handles everyday use, streaming, and navigation without stutter. This phone, you get NFC 5G dual SIM and Bluetooth 5.3, all packed into Android 15 with Oukitel's clean software experience. There's also a customizable side key that can launch apps, a flashlight, handy for field work. This phone Oukitel equipped the WP60 with a 32 megapixel that captures clear selfies and supports 1080p video recording. On the back, you get a triple camera system, a 108 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel night vision lens for low light or security use, and a 2 megapixel macro camera for close-up shots. Photos come out sharp with good detail, especially in daylight, and the night vision mode actually works surprisingly well. Now I'm going to take some real photo samples so you can see the results for yourself before deciding whether this phone is worth buying. I'm recording this video from the front camera of Oukitel WP60, which is 32 megapixel, but it does not offer 4K video recording from the front. This is 1080p. And this is the results. I'm walking slowly. The video doesn't seem shaky. And let me run. It was a running result, and it's a bit windy here, and I hope my voice is clear in the video. And while video we cannot zoom in. Okay. Now I'm recording this video from the back camera of Oukitel WP60, which is 108 megapixel. As you can see, I'm walking slowly. So this is the walking result, and this is 10x 1x. And let me show you the running result. Okay, it doesn't seem it has a stabilization system something. And this is 1x. Oh wow, this is 2x. And after that we have to zoom in. 4.6x, 6.4x, 8.7x, and 10x. And boom, this is 1x. Try one more time on the buildings. 1x, 3x, not bad, 5.8x, 8.8x, and this is 10x. Not bad. So guys, if you work outdoors, travel frequently, or just want a phone that won't die or break easily and also grabs attention with its futuristic look, the Oukitel WP65G is absolutely worth considering. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. You'll find the purchase link for the Oukitel WP60 in the description. If you found this review helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.